So hey, hello and welcome back guys to a new video on KavinhFX. So in today's video I would like to share my weekly forex forecast for GBPUSD and USD index. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, before that, in our previous video, in our previous forecast, our subscribers were 291 guys, and over the week we gained 4 more new subscribers guys, including our daily analysis. From there we gained a new subscriber, and currently we are at 295 out of 400 guys. 295 out of 400. We are slowly reaching our target guys. To those who are new here, to those who are watching my video right now, I'm talking to you. To the new person who are watching my video, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're getting benefited guys. My intention, my intention is to grow my channel larger, not to earn from this guys. My first intention is to grow this channel larger and help the beginners out there who's struggling to learn this market guys. And right now, as you guys know, USD index is quite bullish. As you guys can see from the screen itself, market is quite bullish, and market can continue the bullishness as well. That's what I'm going to explain in today's video. So yeah guys, if you guys are new, make sure to subscribe my channel guys, and if you guys have any doubt, make sure to comment down in the comment box below guys. And as you guys can see the screen itself, KavinhFX here, my Instagram ID. If you guys want to personally contact me about your trade, you guys can message me there. So yeah, with that said, let me move on to USD index. And as you guys can see, market, I think if you guys remember my daily analysis, those who watch my daily analysis, I think over 90 of you guys watch my daily analysis. I told you guys that the market, market never came very close, but market never touched our resistance here. Our support here. Market start moving up, and I told you guys there's a possibility for the market to come down, to touch this place. Market can manipulate us. Market can come down and touch the place, and as exactly guys can see, market came down, touch the place, market start moving up right now guys. So what's my move for USD index? For the past few months guys, as I've been telling you guys, I'm a long-term buyer on USD index. Because why? And as you guys know, right now the war is going on. The Ukraine Russia war is boosting the US index right now guys. And as you guys can see, right now market took the support here. Let me move to weekly guys. Market took the support here, and market right now is moving up guys, till where the market can move. Till where the market can move. If market is continuing the bullishness, this bullish trend, we can see market coming until here guys. This will be my zone guys if market is continuing the bullish trend right now. Before that guys, let me screenshot this area here guys. Let me screenshot this area here. I'll draw and explain it to you guys. My intention, as I said, I want you guys to understand the market guys. So you guys can see here. Let me draw first. Just bear with me guys. So yeah. So as you guys can see here, this is this zone. We can consider this zone as a resistance right now guys. For the market, it's just a short resistance. If market is continuing the bullish trend, we can expect the market to break this resistance, form a big candle like this, and then if the market breaks the resistance, we can expect the market to come down and then start moving up guys. The pattern will be like this. Right now the candle structure is like this. The market is very close. It's very close to the resistance. This is the resistance guys. I'm just explaining to you guys. I'm not very good at drawing, so don't judge my drawing guys. So we can expect the market, if the market is continuing the bullish trend, we can expect the market to break this, form a big buy candle, retest, and then the market can start moving up guys. Where to 100.318 guys. Don't mind my writing guys. So till that the market can continue guys. If the market fails to break this resistance, guys, if market fails to break the resistance, if the resistance is holding the market, this is not a big resistance guys, this is just a temporary resistance. If the market fails to break the resistance, then we can expect market to come to this zone again, and if market breaks this zone, then we can continue, we can expect the market to come below guys. So yeah, that's my move for USD index. Let me just get out from this. So that's my move for USD index. I'm a buyer for USD index guys. Remember, I'm a buyer for USD index. If market breaks this zone that I mentioned, let me bring my pointer. If market breaks this zone, then we can expect market moving up guys. Till where? Let me move to weekly. This is nice. This is a nice resistance zone in weekly guys. As you guys can see, market start falling here. This is a nice resistance zone. We can expect market to come here guys. We can expect market to come here, and then we can expect market to continue its downtrend guys. Or if market wants to break, it's up to the market guys. We are not the market movers or the big players, the banks. So whatever is it, follow your money management guys. And yeah, with that said, let me move on to GBP USD. Pound. Yesterday when the market ended, pound started falling down crazily. Let me move to daily, guys. Okay, as you guys can see, this zone, okay, a lot of you guys, okay, a lot of us, including myself, I expected market to move up here. Okay, market moved, guys, market moved a bit from this zone, market moved a bit, and then market started moving down, guys. The sellers were very strong on GBP USD. Okay, sellers were very strong. It was favoring USD index. As USD index was moving up, GBP starts coming down, guys. That's the relation. If USD index moves up, GBP comes down. Okay, so yeah, we saw a nice bullish trend on USD index. GBP starts moving down, guys. So yeah, what's my move for GBP USD? Okay, guys. Okay, so you guys can see, if you guys are asking me right now, shall I short the market because the market is in a sell trend? Okay, I will encourage you guys to not short the market. Okay, that's my first move right now. I will encourage you guys to not short the market. Why? Because as you guys can see, market can start moving up whenever it wants, because the market's at the low position right now. Okay, if you guys are willing to short, okay, if you guys are willing to short, if you guys are willing to take the risk, it's up to you guys. And make sure to follow your money management. Okay, don't blow your account off, guys. Okay, so yeah, if you guys are asking me to short, I will say no. There are some position, guys. Okay, we can expect market to retrace, because as you guys can see, let me move to the overall trend, guys. As you guys can see here. Okay, let me place my trend line. Okay, so you guys can see here the overall trend on the market. It's a bearish trend, guys. GBPUSD has been continuing this bearish trend from last year, guys. Okay, so overall trend, as you guys can see here, market is in a bearish trend. Okay, I'm not drawing it correctly, guys, but I want you guys to understand this. Okay, market, the overall trend of the market is in a bearish trend, guys, right now. So if you guys ask me to short now, I will encourage you guys to not to short now, because right now we can expect the market to move up. Okay, if you guys are shorting here, we can expect the market to move up, you guys. The market might hit stop loss, and then the market might go down, or the market might come here, because this is a nice support area. Okay, now the support is acting as a resistance. Market can come here, and then market can continue its downtrend. Or this zone, guys, remember this zone here, this also was a nice support zone for the market, guys. Okay, now it's acting as a resistance once the support has been broken, so we can expect the market to move down. So yeah, that's why, guys, I will encourage you guys to not short the market. And another thing, guys, okay, and another thing, remember, next week, guys, let me delete this trend line. Next week we are having the FOMC news, guys. Okay, one of the important news for US. Okay, this will determine the US overall economic, guys, situation there in USD index. So make sure to trade wisely, guys, and I will encourage you guys to not trade on that day, guys, on the FOMC day. Okay, so yeah, what's my move for you, GBPUSD? Okay, let me screenshot this, let me draw and explain to you guys clearly. Okay, so as you guys can see here, okay, yeah, so if you guys are willing to short the market, okay, if you guys are willing to short the market, this zone can be a correct zone to short the market, guys. Okay, let me erase this first. Sorry, guys, I'm not used to this, so yeah, hope you guys can bear with me. So we can, right now the candles like this, the forms like this. Okay, so we can expect the market to come here, and if you guys are willing to short the market, then put your stop loss around 20 or 30 pips here at this zone. Then you guys can expect the market to move down, guys, because as you guys can see, USD index is very bullish, guys, and it took the support there. Okay, as what I anticipated, market took the support, and right now the market is moving, guys. So yeah, if you guys are willing to short the market, then this zone will be a correct zone. If you guys are willing to short, you guys can place your stop loss between 20 to 30 pips, but I highly encourage you guys to not, because why? We can expect market to break this zone, because this zone is not very it's not a very great support, guys, not very big support. Okay, big resistance. So we can expect market to break, and market can break the zone, and then market can go here, and we can expect market to drop from this zone, because this zone, okay, this zone is a nice support zone, and right now it's acting as a resistance. Okay, it's acting as a resistance. So if market breaks the zone, okay, if you guys are willing to take your trade here, okay, I'm not giving you guys a signal here, I'm just giving you guys how you guys can plan your orders here, okay, guys. This is not a signal. Okay, indirectly it might seem that I'm giving you guys a signal, but from what I analyze, if market comes here, we can short the market here, and your stop loss around 20 or 30 pips that I mentioned. If you guys are willing to short around 1.32100 or 1.32050 between that zone, you guys can place a stop loss around 1.32300. Okay, around this zone here. If market hits a stop loss, just wait, guys. Okay, because around here we have a nice zone, guys. Okay, around here we have a nice zone. We can expect market to fall from this zone, because why? Market is currently at the low, guys. Okay, basically at the low, we have to buy the currency at the low, guys. Okay, but we don't know, this is not I won't say that this is a temporary, I mean, I won't say that this is a perfect low, guys. Okay, market can start moving down also. Okay, I'm just giving my analysis here. So these are the positions that you guys can place your trade if you guys are willing to take your trade, and make sure to set your stop loss between 30 to 40 pips, guys. Okay, SL 30 to 40 pips, guys. Okay, remember that, guys. Okay, if you guys are willing to trade, you trade that. Okay, guys, remember the Russia and Ukraine situation. If we are having a more news about it, US will still spike, guys. Okay, commodity such as gold will still spike, guys. Okay, we can see a downfall in pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and more, guys. Okay, so make sure to follow your money management, guys. This is very important. Okay, if you guys are having $100 account here, okay, for an example, and if you guys are placing a 10-cent order, okay, this is too much, guys. You guys bear only 1,000 pips in your hand, guys. Okay, 10-cent order, 0.10. Okay, I told you guys can place your I told you guys that you guys can place your order here around 0.10, around 1.31. If market starts moving up, if you guys never place your stop loss, then forget your account, guys. Your account's emptied. Okay, your account's blown already. If you guys place your stop loss 30 to 40 pips, that will be $40, guys. Okay, $40, you will lost $40 there. Okay, and if the market's coming here and dropping from this zone, then if you guys are placing another 10-cent, you will guys if the market hits your stop loss, you guys will lose another 40, so it's $80, guys. So you guys will be having 20 cents, and trading 10 cents with 20 cents is very risky, guys. Okay, I would not encourage you guys. I will highly not encourage you guys to trade like that. Okay, that's not the perfect that's not the perfect way to trade a market, guys. Okay, so yeah, that's my move for GBP USD, guys. Okay, I hope that from what I thought, okay, don't judge my drawing. From what I draw, you guys might understand how the market can move, guys. Okay, if the market is continually moving down, if the market is trying to move down, then just watch, guys. Let's see where the market's going. Okay, let me move to weekly. We have some, just give me a second, guys. Okay, we have some position here. Okay, we can expect the market to come around 1.29, guys. Okay, to this zone here. Okay, weekly is not very clear for me. Let me move to daily, guys. Okay, so we can expect market to come between this zone. If market's continuing its downtrend, we can expect market to come around 1.29. Why? Because this is a nice support also at D1. As you guys can see, market rally from this place. Let me place my horizontal line here. Market rally from this place around 1.29. As you guys can see here, let me zoom on. Okay, market came down. Okay, market came down, took support, market started moving up. Okay, this was the resistance. As you guys can see, 1.31. Market came down again, market took support, and then market started moving up from this zone, guys. So we can expect market to move up from this zone. So if market's in a support, guys, okay, we can expect market to move next week. Okay, if the FOMC news is very good for USD index, we can expect the market to move down. Okay, if the market comes to the support, what you guys have to do? If the market's in a support, buy the pair on the support, sell the pair at the resistance. That's the important thing, this market, guys. Okay, this is how market moves. Don't buy at the resistance and sell at the support, guys. That's very stupid, guys. Okay, sorry, but that's how the market works, guys. Okay, buy at the support, sell at the resistance, sell at the top, buy at the low. So that's all, guys, for today's video. I hope you guys understand the video. From what I draw, I hope you guys understand where you guys can place your orders. If the market is retracing, then you guys can place your order in the place that I draw. So guys, just one thing here. Okay, next week the news is very volatile, so make sure to trade properly. And if you guys are new, okay, to the new people out there who are watching my video, okay, my statistics, okay, my YouTube studio, my statistics shows that 30% of subscribers are watching your video, 60% of them are not subscribed, guys. Okay, so make sure to subscribe, guys. My second target is 400 subscribers. So I'm trying to grow this community, guys. The more like, the more subscribe I get for my channel, okay, the more impression it will create, and then the more recommendation my video will get, guys. Okay, so make sure to subscribe my channel, make sure to follow my IG, as you guys can see in the screen itself, KavinhFX. So make sure to follow my IG. And yeah, with that said, I would like to end today's video. Trade well, guys. Okay, trade well. Adios and bye bye, guys.